Welcome to my YouTube video, which is dedicated to the learning of applied mathematics in civil and structural engineering. So in this second video, I will continue uh, the, the discussion about automated mesh generation in the previous video. So the mesh generation program will generate it of an output file. For example, look like this. So it have a header line containing the number of nodes and the number of element, and element consists of 4 nodes and number of material. So node number 1 till 4315 x, coordinate x, y, and z, and after that continue with the element nodal connectivity. Let's say element 1 till 4064. So the element nodal connectivity is defined like this. So anti-clockwise. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for the element. Let's say we have two elements, element 1 and 2. So the numbering for the element 1 nodal connectivity will be 1, 2, x7. So element 1, 1, 2, x7. Element 2, 2, 3, 9, 8. 2, 3, 9, 8. And with all this information, then you can start plotting the 3D surface object. So I will show you the plotting program. So we will start with our first example. You can do the rotation, and this is a bit difficult to see, and so we have to hide the hidden surface. Then you can see and look if there is any gap, and then in the modeling, is there any gap or defect that does not model the correct, does not the cube that we choose does not model the right model. And then you can also show the coordinate, nodal coordinate, and height coordinate, and you can also show the element, and you can do a zoom. Let's say you want to focus on only this area, you can focus and then start rotating to see, zoom it back. Okay, and we go with the second one. So this is another example, but with opening in the on the side. So then you can see there's 5 opening in the middle and 4 opening here. And the same, you can make a zoom in and rotate, and you can zoom in inside, and you can show also the coordinate. Okay, and another example that we can show here is another one, and this one have an opening from the top. And you could do a zoom in and zoom out. And the other example that I want to show you here is a water tank, high hidden surface, and then we can do a rotation. And you can zoom in and zoom out and show also the nodal coordinate. Another example here is the water pool, and here we can do a rotation here from the top view and from the bottom, and you can do a rotation. And as mentioned, you can also show the number of the element, and you can say you want to zoom in on certain, and then you do the rotation. And then there's another, and for the building, Same, we want to show the hidden surface, hide the hidden surface. And then we do the rotation. And you can also zoom in. And do the rotation again. And this is the pipe connection. We can do the rotation. This is already with the hidden surface suppressed. Otherwise, it'll be difficult to see. And then we suppress, hide the hidden surface. And then we can do the rotate from see view from front, top, and bottom. And we can show the nodal coordinate. And we can zoom in and do the rotation. And there's another example for airplane, and then we can do hide the hidden surface, and then we can do the rotation and see from the back. And we can do the pen to move it. And let's do the zoom in. And do the rotation. And zoom it back. And another one is another object where we can do the rotation. And we show the nodal coordinate and make it zoom in. It can be show the element number and do the zoom in and zoom out and do the rotation to detect is any defect in the modeling. And then we have also the two cylinder. First we hide the hidden surface and then we do the rotation. Then we do the rotation and then hide the hidden surface. Show the coordinate and do the zoom in and zoom out and do the rotation. So with this we will be able to detect is there any gap or mistake in our modeling that help with the visualization. So this plotting program can help in detecting if there's any mistake. And this is the last one example of the plotting is the parabol construction, and we can do hide the hidden surface and do the rotation, and then we will do the zoom in, do the rotate, and then from there we will zoom in and do the pan to the left and right, and then zoom in again and panning down. Then we will do the rotation. So that will be it for the demo of the 3D plotting, 3D surface object plotting program. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye.